Looking for some fun this weekend? Come test drive a boat on the water at Factory Direct Marine and RV in Ridgeland, South Carolina during our fall clearance sale going on this weekend only. We're making room for 2021 models, so everything must go. Don't miss this opportunity for huge savings on a brand new center console, sport boat, bass boat, or pontoon. We are offering top dollar for your trade-in and prices as low as $17,550. So right now is the time to find your new dream boat. This weekend, visit our showroom and test drive boats on the water. We're located right off of I-95 at exit 21, 401 Sycamore Drive in Ridgeland, South Carolina. Or call 843-717-9538 or visit www.factorydirectmarine.com for more information.